What's really cool about this walking pad is I believe this might be the least expensive walking pad I have seen on Amazon, but it still works amazingly well. This was sent to me by FUNMILY so I could test it out and make this video. So let me kind of just walk you through everything with this walking pad. Walk you through. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got the remote control right here. I'll just press the play pause button. When you press that button, it does have a countdown 3, 2, 1, and then it starts you off at 0.6 miles an hour. Now, if you wanted to use this at a standing desk, it's about half a mile an hour. You can see it's really slow, but it's slow enough that you could actually get stuff done, but it keeps you moving. So this is a good speed for actually doing some work, but still staying fairly active. If you are like me and you like to be on a walking pad while you watch TV, then you can press the button and it goes up 0.1 increments, or you could press and hold the button, it'll go up a little bit faster. So I generally like about 2 miles an hour. This is kind of a nice walking speed where I'm not getting out of breath or anything, but I do have to kind of try to keep up, and I can watch TV like this, stay a little bit active. So just kind of a nice relaxing speed here. There's a lot of cool things about this walking pad besides the really nice price. It has a mode button here. So you can actually press the mode button to do goals. So say you have a goal to walk for like 30 minutes, you can turn it on for 30 minutes, set the time, press play, and it will count down from 30 minutes to 0, and then it will stop automatically. You can do the same thing for distance or for calories as well. The walking pad display cycles through calories, distance, time, and speed. And when you get this, it comes with 2 bottles of lubrication. You just put that under the belt and do that every once in a while and you're good to go. It just helps reduce friction and heat. Let me go ahead and go up to as fast as this goes. Now this has a max speed of 3.7 miles an hour. So you can see at this speed, it's almost kind of like speed walking. You do have to walk pretty fast to keep up. Now you could do kind of a light jog. It's a bit of a slow light jog, but it's not too bad to get your heart rate up a little bit more. So let me go back down so I can talk normal again. Overall, this is a perfect walking pad for going under a desk if you have a stand-up desk. It's really inexpensive. It's got wheels on the front so you can wheel it around. It's pretty lightweight. It's very thin so you can move it to different places. Put it under your bed, prop it up against the wall, get it out of the way or something like that. I really like the mode features so you can set different goals for yourself and you can improve on those goals day after day. This is a fantastic walking pad.